Welcome to my successful how-to videos. Today I'm going to show you how to change the battery on a Honda remote control, the fob, to open the doors and also to help start the vehicle. So it's easy. You need only one tool, which is a flat head screwdriver, mid-size, about 3/8 of an inch, so more than a quarter. The first thing that you do is that with this little, I would say, switch, you remove the key, the physical key. And this one you can see it's a new one, so it's a master, it's a blank. And then you are going to see, it's very easy. You see those two little tabs here. So let me try to show. I'm going to magnify. I don't want that to be blurry. So here you put the screwdriver and you rotate it until it opens the two covers. And then with the battery, so it has already been removed here, but here there is a slot again for the screwdriver. So you put the screwdriver flat below the battery and you tilt it until the battery rolls away. And now I'm going to show you, it's a battery 2032. So you can buy this battery. It's better actually to have bought it ahead of time. And if you are interested, there is an affiliate link below the video so that you can buy those batteries. They are really very inexpensive. When you are done, when you have bought the battery, and there is a graph to help you understand how to put the battery back. So you put it back, and then you just reassemble the two covers. For both operations, you need to be very careful because there are those plastic little hooks that you can see here, and they are very fragile. So you need to be gentle on everything that you do. So you put the battery back, and then you reassemble, and you just press firmly. You press firmly on the remote, and this is it. So again, if you need the battery or the screwdriver, there is a link below the video. And I thank you very much for watching this video. And if you have any questions, please ask them through the comment section. I always answer all the questions. Thank you very much. And you can also watch my other successful how-to videos.